Hello everyone, my name is Anupam and welcome back to 7th video on the topic of trigonometry class 11th NCERT book. So, as you know that we are following the pattern and where we are first covering everything that is necessary to solve the exercise because we want to first serve the people who is in very hurry and just want to complete the exercises. After that, we will extend this video and also talk about the what is the necessity of the trigonometry and what is the application, real life application of that. So, in last video, we have solved the exercise 3.3, that is the last exercise in this chapter, and we have solved question number 1 to 5. Okay, so onward question number 6. If you want to solve that, then we have to understand what is the trigonometric function of sum and difference of two angles. Like, for example, sine x plus y equal to what, and sine x minus y equal to what. Okay, so for the every trigonometric function we will see the addition and the difference, sum and difference of the angles, right? So let's see. So in this video we are going to cover trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Okay, so here we have something basic. So in this video we will see some functions that we have to remember, and there will be more many functions that we are going to just solve, and we are going to see what is the logic behind that. So if we forget that, we will just recall. Okay, so this is the first function where sine minus x equal to minus sine x. We have to remember this. You have to keep in mind that sine minus x equal to minus sine x and cos minus x equal to cos x. Okay, that you have to remember. Sine means it will be not digest the minus sign, but cos can digest, and it will be simple like cos x only. Okay, okay, so next we have the third function. You see, cos x plus y, cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y. If there is plus, then it will be, there will be minus sign, so cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, so now here we have cos x minus y, so there is minus, then there will be plus sign, and all these things are as it is. Okay, you see, this is the same, this is the same, but only one thing is changed, that if there is plus, if there is addition of angles in cos, then we will do the difference, and if there is a difference, then we will add that function. Okay, so you have to remember this, you have to memorize this, that cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, now this is the logical function. Actually there is also logic behind this that we will discuss further later. So you see, in function number 5, it's saying cos pi by 2. So pi by 2 is what? Pi equal to 180 degree, right? So pi by 2 equal to 90 degree. Okay, so pi by 2 x minus pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x. So as I told you before, that this is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Here all the functions are positive. Here sine and cosec, here cot and tan, here cos and sec is positive, right? So you see, it's saying cos pi by 2 minus x, so this is pi by 2, this is pi by 2 minus x, means this angle will be here with respect of y. Okay, so in this quadrant, first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions will be positive. Okay, and second thing that you have to remember, that if we are making any angle with respect of this y axis, then this function will be changed. Okay, so when it will be changed, then sine will change in cos. and cos will change in sine, right? Cosec will change in sec, and sec will change in cosec. Okay, tan will change in cot, and cot will be changed in tan. Okay, so cos pi by 2 minus x equal to sine by x. You see, this cos will change in sine, and because all the functions in first quadrant is positive, that's why we have positive sine x. Okay, okay, now we have the ninth function, where we have different function on the same logic as we have seen in 5. You see, cos pi by 2 plus x. So this is pi by 2. You see, this y-axis is pi by 2 plus x, means there will be angle with respect of this y-axis, and if and in this second quadrant only sine and cosec is positive. Okay, so here we have given cos, so it will be negative, minus. Now second thing what we have to see, that cos will be change in sine. So here sine and x. So you see, this is the same like this, right? Now sine pi by 2 plus x. So pi by 2 plus x, but this is sine, so sine will be positive in second quadrant, that's why this cos is positive, and sine will be changing cos x ka x. Now sine pi minus x. Now if we are forming any angle with respect of x-axis, then the function will not change, that's why this sine is remain sine, this is not changing in cos. Okay, and pi minus x, so we will take only x. Okay, now the sixth one, sine pi by 2 minus x equal to cos x, because we are making an angle with respect of y-axis, then this function will be changed in cos, and this is pi minus 2, because this function exists in second quadrant. You see, sine pi by 2 minus x, so this exists in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all the functions, all the trigonometric function are positive, that's why this is positive, and because we are making relation with the y-axis, then this function change to cos, so this is cos x. Now we have sine x plus y equal to sine x cos y. Okay, so this is very important, and you have to memorize this. Okay, you see, sine x plus y, sine x minus y. So here you see the first term sine x cos x, here also the first term is sine x cos x, the second term cos x sine y, here cos x sine y. Only if there is plus addition of two angle, then it will be also add. If there is difference of two angle, then it will be also in minus. Okay, so now as of now we have understand that sine x plus y, second sine x minus y, third cos x plus y. I am just writing this so you will not get confused, and cos x minus y. So if there is sine, if there is addition or the difference of uh, in sine with respect of sine, then it will be like sine x cos x and sin x cos y, then cos x sin y. If this is the addition, then it will be also add, and again sin x, same like this, sin x cos x, sorry, cos y, my mistake, here cos x sin y, and if there is difference, then we will put the negative sign here. But in cos, this is not like this. In cos you have to write cos x cos y, again sin x sin y, here same cos x cos y sin x sin y. If this is the positive addition, then we will do the subtract, and if this is the difference subtract, then we will add this. Okay, so I hope these four functions are very clear to you. Okay, and the another one is like, if we have sine pi by 2 minus x, so because sine cos pi by 2 minus x, sine cos 10 pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so no need of 10, I think. If we know the value of sine and cos, then we will find what is cos, cosec, sec, cot, right? Now sine pi by 2 plus x and sine pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so sine, because in all the four, in this, the first one, the second one, the third one, and fourth, in all we are making a angle with respect of y-axis, that is pi by 2, and this function will be changed, sine will be changed in cos, right? Cos, and because this is in first quadrant, it will be positive cos x. This is also in first quadrant, then it will be sine x, right? This is in second quadrant, so sine will be positive there. Sorry, this will be cos, this is cos, okay, x, pi by 2 plus x. So sine will be change in cos, and because this will be exist in second quadrant, so no change in sine, this will be sine x, and cos is negative in second quadrant, so it will be minus, this is cos, what happened here, sine x. Okay, so okay, let's move ahead. Here we have the 10th. It's saying that what is the value of 10x and 10y. Look, this is very simple. Okay, so we know that 10x plus y will be sine x plus y by cos x plus y, right? And we can write this as a sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by, actually I have to do something else, so I will keep some place here, and again cos x is cos x cos y, this is positive, so this will be negative, sin x sin y. Okay, so because we have to find what is the value of 10, so we have to convert this in 10. So what is 10? Sine by cos, so I have to divide everything with cos x and cos y. Cos x cos y, cos x cos y, cos x cos y. Okay, we see cos y cancel, and here cos x cos x cancel, cos x or cos y, cos x cos y cancel, and here sin y sin, sorry, so here nothing will be cancelled. So now we have sin x by sin x by cos x, that is 10x, right? Here we have sine by cos y, so in between we have the plus sign, so plus 10y, right? Now we have this 1 and we have the minus sign, minus sine by cos, that is 10x, and sin y by cos y, that is 10y. You see here, this and this is the same statement. Okay, so I hope that you will also find this one and you can prove this with your own. You have to do the same thing. Okay, now we have cot x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1, so it will be the opposite of 10. You see, in 10 we have this above and this was the denominator. You see here, this and this is the opposite, so this is very similar to that. Okay, no need to explain that, and this will be also the same. Okay, now we have cos 2x. So you see, cos 2x, cos 2x can be written as a cos x plus x, right? So we will get the cos x, and because this is positive, then the sign will be negative, sin x, sin x. Okay, so we can write this as a cos x into cos x is cos square x minus sin square x. This is the first statement you see here, cos x square x, sin square x. Now you see, uh, cos square x minus sin square x, so we can write 1 minus sin square x. This cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x, and this negative sign, then sin square x. So it will be 1 minus minus plus 2 sin square x. Okay, so 2 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, this is the, this is also proved. Now we have to prove this. So you see, in this statement cos square x minus sin square x, we have changed cos into sin and we get this. Now we will change cos square x, this cos square x will be the remain same, minus minus, this sin square x will be, it will be like 1 minus cos square x, right? Now cos square x, cos square x minus minus, sorry, minus plus, minus 1 minus minus plus cos square x. So now we have 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so this is also proved, right? Now we have to prove what is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So this is very funny, and if I will just request you that you try with your own, and let's see if you get the answer or not, and then watch this video and you will be surprised that, okay, is it, this is so simple. So we know cos square x minus sine square x, we have this, right? So can we write this cos square x minus sine square x by 1? This is correct. So can we also write cos square x minus sine square x by sine square x plus cos square x, because 1 is equal to sine square x plus cos square x. Okay, so now we have uh, cos square x, sin square x. So if we divide the both term with cos square x, okay, so you see cos square x by cos square x minus sin square x by cos square x, and here sin square x by cos square x plus cos square x by cos square x, right? So this will be cancelled by 1, and this will be cancelled by 1. So can we write 1 minus sin by cos is tan square x, and here sin by cos is tan square x plus 1. So this is also proved. Okay, now we have sin 2x, and you have to do the same thing that we done in this. Okay, we have to make it like sin x plus x. Now sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. So you see, now we have sin x cos x, sin x cos x. So can we write this is 2 sin x cos x, you see here. Okay, and when we will divide this, we will get this term also. Okay, now we have tan 2x equal to 2 tan x. by 1 minus tan square x. So same like this we have to do this. Now we have cos 3x. So just get the value of, what is the value of cos 2x? You can do cos 2x plus x. Okay, and you know what is the value of 2x, right? And we will put all the value and we will get the this term. Okay, now we have tan 3x. We have to do the same thing. What we have to do? Tan 2x plus x. Okay, so look here, what we can do, cos 2x plus x, right? Now as per formula, cos cos 2x plus cos x minus, sorry, and this is multiplication not addition, cos 2x and cos x, right? This is multiplication minus cos 2x, sorry, sin 2x equal to, sorry, minus sin 2x, uh, cos 2x sin 2x into sin x. Okay, and now you have to put the all the value of cos 2x into cos x, then all the value of sin 2x into sin x, and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the another more terms, like cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So you have to remember this, and all these functions of addition and the difference will be useful when we will solve the exercise 3.3 question number 6 onwards. Okay, so I hope you understand this, and bye bye, see you in next video. Take care, happy learning.